In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Mailchimp with Google Analytics, an essential skill for any e-commerce enthusiast looking to streamline their marketing efforts. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to connect these two powerful platforms and unlock valuable insights that can significantly enhance your marketing strategies. Let's dive right in. First, let's start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the Mailchimp website and enter your login credentials. If you're new to Mailchimp, you'll need to create an account, but assuming you already have one, let's continue. Once logged in, you'll see your Mailchimp dashboard, which is the command center for all your email marketing activities. Next, let's head over to the integrations section. On the left-hand sidebar, you should see integrations, so go ahead and click on that. This area allows you to connect Mailchimp with a multitude of applications and services, expanding its functionality considerably. It's quite powerful, so you'll want to familiarize yourself with it. Now we're going to explore the options available to us by clicking on Discover under Integrations. This section is designed to help you find the best tools to connect with your Mailchimp account, whether it's for e-commerce, data analytics, or various other functionalities. The Discover page is curated with new integrations and partnerships, ensuring you have the most up-to-date tools at your disposal. With Discover open, use the search bar to type in Google Analytics. It's essential to ensure you're connecting the right service, so double check that you're selecting the official Google Analytics integration. Once you've found it, click Connect. This action will start the process of linking your Mailchimp account with your Google Analytics data. For the integration to work, you need to give Mailchimp permission to access your Google Analytics account. It's a straightforward process, but it's important to ensure the correct permissions are granted to gain accurate insights. You'll likely see a prompt asking for permission. Follow the instructions and confirm access. This step is crucial as it allows Mailchimp to pull in the data necessary for detailed reports and analytics on your campaigns. After the permissions are granted, the integration is complete. Congratulations, you've successfully connected Mailchimp with Google Analytics. This newly established connection will enable you to track your marketing performance with detailed analytics, understand your audience better, and ultimately optimize your marketing campaigns for improved results. In summary, by integrating Mailchimp with Google Analytics, you're equipping yourself with a robust toolset to drive your e-commerce success further. Make sure to explore the reports and insights available to you, as they can provide valuable feedback and inform your marketing decisions. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and as always, happy marketing.